Hi, I'm just going to show you how to clean a bathroom sink. So this is how it looks like. It's not been well organized. It's not been well cleaned for several weeks. So just for the knowledge, I just show you it's more dust. As I told, it's not been almost clean for several weeks. When I just come for the edges, and at least for once a month you should just clean the edges properly. So before I start doing the cleaning, I just want to move all these stuffs away. So let's start by moving all these stuffs away and then start cleaning. So I just got rid of everything. Okay, so this is my cleaning equipment stuff, and I just got some microfiber clothes, and then I just got a toothbrush and a cup, which is to get rid of some stuff. And then I just got here these sponges to do some cleaning. And then a stainless steel, and here you got some gloves, and I'm using some glass cleaner, and I'll be using a 50-50 of bleach and water, which is mixed for an empty glass cleaner bottle. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to use the glass cleaner and then sprinkle it everywhere. Use it for the corners as well when you sprinkle it. Just spray everywhere, and then use a cloth and then just scrub it. So you can see the dirt on this, and then when you just see here, you can see that you could not get rid of these marks. So I'm going to use 50-50 of bleach and water and then sprinkle it and then remove this mark. So I'm just going to take 50-50 of bleach and water and mix it well and use it with a glass cleaner bottle. And then I'm just going to sprinkle it everywhere on the marks, and then take the cloth and then just put some pressure and just try to get rid of it. So as you can see, you have get rid of the marks. Yeah, so see, you have get rid of the marks, and here it is. So I'm going to use 50-50 of bleach and water and then just sprinkle it everywhere, especially to the edges. And then take the cloth and then wipe all this stuff. And then again use the bleach one and then again sprinkle it. And take the toothbrush and then just clean the edges. Make sure you do all these things. You can see that all these dirts are just going away. So then use the sponge to clean all over the other parts. To use the sponge and then wipe all these things. Okay, so then take some hot water and then just try to clean all this stuff. And use the microfiber cloth. Just take some water and then just try to buff all these things. Clean once more time the cloth and then wet it with some hot water. And buff it again. Okay, so all these things are being back and they are being well organized, and when you just come to the stainless steel, you can see that it's so shiny, and here you can see all these things, the transformation from before to after. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and catch you up from another next video. Thanks, bye.